Hi guys, it's Wolfie here. Welcome back to another video. Today I am playing Roblox again. I did do a video before on Theme Park Tycoon. And this time I'm going to be playing Hide and Seek Extreme. If you could run my game, that would be delightful. And I am doing a face reveal today. So, let's get on with the video. And 3, 2, 1. Here is my face. Hi guys. It's so happy that you can now see my face. And yeah, I'm just gonna be playing Roblox today. I'm really excited. My cat is literally under my bed asleep. Oh, hello baby. She just woke up. Do you want to let her know? 1 second guys, I'm just letting my cat out my room. Here you go baby. Okay, I'm back. Right. Let's do this. Ooh. So, the map is Ethan's bedroom. Ugh. Sorry if my computer lags. It sometimes lags when I'm recording, only a little bit down. So, oh, yeah, that just lags. What is making that packet? Right. Get up the ladder without falling off it. Oh, there's a banana. Apple bottom jeans. Sorry guys, I've just got a song stuck in my head. Why can't I get up this ladder? I've only got like 9. I've literally got about 2-3 seconds until time. It is coming. He's probably gonna get me straight away. I'm not even up this ladder. And the place where I want to go is up this ladder, so. Oh no, I don't want to go there. They come in here. Oh, I'm up. Yay. So guys, if you don't know me, my name is Lee, and I'm a big fan of It's Funny. So yeah, that's a little bit about me. Oh, I fell. And yeah. So, if you watch It's Funny and you watch her videos, you subscribe to her, then please leave a big fat thumbs up, leave a like, subscribe, click the bell and share. And only click the bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. So yeah. I need to do. I'm not going to be doing any giveaways, so yeah, sorry. I would love to do giveaways, but I'm sorry, I can't. But tomorrow I'm getting squishies, so I might do a squishy giveaway. I have no idea. I don't know whether my mum will let me do a squishy giveaway. So, whoa, I'm just going to stick with not doing a giveaway for now. Oh, sorry guys, just got a Snapchat off my sister. Don't know why she's Snapchatting me. Guys, as you saw on my last video, I was playing the Theme Park Tycoon, and my Tycoon didn't really have much on it. And it still doesn't have a lick thing on my Tycoon, still. Except from what I already had before. So, yeah. get out this mouse hole. Where on earth is it? Oh, I see him. Right, let's go. Guys, I'm really excited. Hello. Oh, he's coming for me. He's coming for me. Help! Oh, he got me. Damn. Oh, damn. Oh, guys, that was like, that was quite hard. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm just not gonna put that. Oh. Oh god, it's right there. I have a really good hiding spot. So I hope it doesn't find me like straight away. I'm really scared. I can actually raise one eyebrow without raising the other, like one time, not with the other one down, like fully down, like not like that. Guys, I also have a different talent. It is this. So, oh no! Guys, I'll be right back. So, I will be right back in 1 second. Let's go. And we are back in Ripple Minigames. So yeah, I didn't be putting around because obviously I have only just joined this game. So sadly, I'm not in the game what's going on right now. Not everything's loaded in, so if you can't see the thing, click on spectate. Now you can see it. Well, it has loaded in, but it doesn't show up. I really want a big cheese sandwich. Sorry, guys. So, if you don't like this video, that's okay. You don't have to leave a thumbs up. I hope you like it though. I don't really know what to do on this because, as you know, I'm new to YouTube. I watch Lele Pond's funny vines, and yeah, I do watch Lele Pond's a lot. So yeah, I think that's a wrap for this video. I hope you liked it. I'll see you again soon. Bye. Oh, bye.